Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host. The past 24 hours have been wild, with Bitcoin's price surging over 8% to reach an all-time high of $83,588. But what triggered this sudden spike? And will it stick? Well, let's dive in and find out. It all started when President Trump announced a 90-day pause on new reciprocal tariffs for over 75 countries, excluding China. Investors saw this as a signal of relief, hoping that the rapid escalation of tariffs would abate at least temporarily. But wait, there's a catch. The tariff rate on China was simultaneously hiked to 125%, leaving some analysts wondering if the trade battle between the US and China is far from settled. Now you might be thinking, what does this have to do with Bitcoin? Well, Joe McCann, founder of Asymmetric Crypto Fund, believes that the market was originally pricing in tariffs for China, EU, and the entire world. But now it's only pricing in tariffs for China. That means there's still a significant risk premium built into the market. McCann thinks that if a breakthrough emerges with Beijing, the market could explode higher. He says, the explosion on the long end is risk parity pods blowing up. And he highlights that this current environment reminds him of the market bottom during the COVID period, where funds started to regross positions and short sellers covered. But not everyone is as optimistic. Jeff Park, head of Alpha Strategies at Bitwise, warns that the environment remains fragile. He points out weakened yuan dynamics, a still robust 10-year yield above 4%, and ongoing credit concerns at spreads beyond 400 basis points. And he says, we are not out of the woods yet. The net outcome is still negative for risk assets. Now, let's take a look at what Goldman Sachs has to say on this matter. They withdrew their recession baseline after the 90-day pause was confirmed and now expect total tariffs to be implemented. But they're not expecting an immediate global escalation. So, what does all this mean for Bitcoin? Well, today's U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, data is scheduled to be released, which could be crucial for BTC's next move. Expectations are that it will drop to around 2.5% YoY, with some analysts suggesting it could even fall to 2.6% or lower. At press time, Bitcoin traded at $81,438. Will this price hold, or will we see another surge like yesterday? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in to Bitcoin Bulletin, and we'll catch you in the next video.